2 Corinthians 5:17 says, therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old has passed away. Behold, the new has come. But sometimes people tend to drift away because old habits and old ways start to creep up. And that old self comes back stronger than ever before. And when that happens, only the people around you, your family, your friends, can hold you accountable and save you from yourself. The road get rocky again, I'm back in this thing and I brought me a friend. My sin and thought it could win, I throw up a prayer, it's gone with the wind. Okay, in the studio, locked in the gym. Verses, they turn into hymns. God got my back, I get bored at the rim. God got my back, so I'm chillin' just like a massage. I've been beefing with General Zod, but I know that my General God. Ain't no hook on this, chillin', just nod. Ain't no book on this, I had to grind. But the book from the Lord in my mind. Know the world to get caught outside, so I cook in my court inside. It's a beat we gon' eat, I'll slide. In the booth we got forks and knives. I'm in Eden, my Lord in the skies. And he knew way before my design, way before I was photo of pride. Take a picture, you'll see the disguise. Ain't no fiction to I had to go get it. I saw me a giant, I had to go slay it. Like David got live, I had to repay him. He sent me new lines, I had to relay him. Forgot on my, I gotta re-say him. The father of time, the mastery maker, the Optimus Prime, the Alpha Omega, the master of mind, the galaxy shaker, the one up above, biggest creator.
Bright light, flashing, race out the tomb like I'm Lazarus. Hop on the beat, now I'm spazzing. Got him in shot like anaphylactic, ayy. They wanna party on Christian, when I pull up my little shawty like that's him, ayy. Leg with the source, I'm tapped in, whole new world, Aladdin. Rappers is Disney, clean them up swiftly. Floors on cocaine, floors on Whitney. I don't play no games, better come get me. Used to bump Tripley, not a boy Bigly. Verters on what? Verters on top flow. Shout out to TJ, shout out to Wild, the way I move weight. Must be a topo. I've been in the gym and I'm tryna get Flacco. Might hit the O, pull up on CG, aiming to eat it. I've been to Peachtree, I say my piece and I dish it like Petrie. Yeah, I'm from Florida, where you need AC. When I say hover, I don't mean Daisy. Hover like Rafa, hover like Nisi, hover like Big Guy ever since BC. When the kid pray, devil get CC'd on.
This up, quick. This up, quick, fix, go. Great, crazy. Side, fish the plug, going crazy. Hey, Mr. Postman, Hey, we bout to spread the message to whoever open. Hey, spirit make you cha-cha, this is not a slow dance. Hey, I don't need the grata to show I'm a grown man. Hey, these people want success, but they be having no plan. Hey, she think that I'm impressed cause she can throw it no hand. I see that you can get undressed, but tell me how your soul is. I'm sorry, I can't talk to chicks that don't know where they going. When I was young, a lot of things I had was cause I stole it. Now I put my trust in G.O.D. cause what I need, he own it. Wait, hold on, let's get it jumping like it's showing. Faith on me, homie, now this ain't no hocus pocus. Believe what I can't see, they like, come on man, you must be joking. That don't bother me, I just stay on the road just like a Roman. Heard the gift is free, I mean that's just what I read in Romans. Keep it high key, no soprano, but I'm vocal culture. Keep it humble G, I don't need to be braggadocious. I on the beat, switch the keys, we can keep on going. We just keep it moving like a locomotive. Wisdom tell me, hold on, please don't ever lead by your emotion. Hey mom, look, I'm on TV, I feel like Kenneth Cole. I ain't switched the floor on this whole record, they might think it's broken. They out there playing chess, I'm playing checkers. Homie, keep your focus, I just said that backwards. Switch the words and you see how we rollin'. The devil's not a factor, he has no control on what you doing. Try to tell me lies, I just block it like I'm Patrick Ewing.
Caleb, is this what Eden sounds like?
2000 EST. Let's go. Hey, look, hey, run it up. Hey, run it up. Stay down for a minute, now we coming up. Just getting started, but they looking like we done a song. In the mirror, that's a one-on-one. Got it out the mud, had to muscle up. Had to muscle up. Hey, run it up. Hey, run it up. Stay down for a minute, now we coming up. Ayy, run it up. Ayy, run it up. In the back of the class, we was cutting up. Teacher rolled me up, cause I wasn't shutting up. Did the booth, now they saying I don't talk enough. I don't talk enough, I don't gotta talk tough. We got the victory, I'm feeling like a mighty duck. I got the light with me, static, I'ma shock 'em up. You locked up in your mind, they don't gotta lock you up. But since we got the keys, it really ain't no stopping us. Got joy and peace, don't need to roll it up. But Lord, forgive me for the fool that I be tearing up. Cause anything you overdo can mess your spirit up. Hey, clear it up, go ahead, clear it up. You let it slide, it never change, take it serious. Just cause he ain't talking, that don't mean that he ain't hearing ya. Don't be surprised when he pull up to your area. Remember back then when I dropped, they wasn't hearing him. Now the floor got him jumping like a double dutch. All in, homie, we don't got a double clutch. All year, homie, now we ain't letting up. Yeah, run it up. Run it up, stay down for a minute, now we coming up. Just getting started, but they looking like we done or something. In the mirror, that's a one-on-one. Hey, got it out the mud, had to muscle up. Had to muscle up. Hey, run it up. Hey, run it up. Stay down for a minute, now we coming up. Hey, run it up. On every aspect, I put the Nikes on my feet to show my character and change. When your pops is a king, you don't never gotta flex. Bling bling, see the boy passing that Johnny test. Ring ring, everybody been calling me. I don't gotta chase a bag, it just follow me. I ain't even leave the crib, but they watching me. Ever since start, I be clean like the laundry. I'm on my job, homie, I ain't even taught to steam. I make sure I get my tithes and my offering. 10% of all my things, that's late for someone who gave everything. I can never waste what I was given. How you eating wings and still gon' lead a meat up on the chicken? Got jobs, stick shit, key in the ignition. They want recognition, I see it, I do anything to get it. Kept me chillin', right up in the gift that I was given. It don't work, I'm back up in it. It don't work for them, they quit. Hey, talking way more than you moving, turn you to a critic. How you expect God to bless what you do if you keep switching? Hey, run it up, hey, run it up. Stay down for a minute, now we coming up. Just getting started, but they looking like we done or something. Man in the mirror, it's a one-on-one. Got it out the mud, had to muscle up. Had to muscle up. Ay, run it up. Ay, run it up. Stay down for a minute, now we coming up.